What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I'm excited to talk to all of you once again. It's been a while since I've been on camera. It's just been life in general, just been crazy with work and everything that I'm doing. But hey, I'm slowing things down a little bit on all areas, on social media, YouTube, and I still want to be present with all of you. So I'm answering your comments. So make sure that you stay up to date with my channel because I do respond to all comments, good or bad, or if you just want to troll. I mean, hey, that's totally fine as well. But hey, I am here to give you all value, and I wanted to update you on what I'm doing with my car currently. And right now, I did a recent muffler modification. So let's check that out. All right, so for all of you that follow me consistently, you know that I have been modifying my car on the carbon and just overall look and everything, but I've been experimenting with just the overall exhaust sound. And before I invest into an exhaust system, a full catback system, I wanted to just explore with what I could do on my own to give you guys all value as far as making a decision that's affordable and something a little bit more expensive, but totally worth it. Again, you pay for what you get for, right? And I am all about paying for quality stuff that could really just make a big difference in your overall build. So currently, before I did the modification, I had a straight pipe from the Cat. I deleted the muffler and kept both resonators. Now, all 440i's, basically all BMWs that end with the 40, right? 240, 340, and 440, 540, 740, all of them are B58 motors for the most part. And that means that you have two resonators. You don't have two Cats, you only have one Cat, but you have two resonators. And if you lift up the car, you'll see like a box type of resonator. It's like a box, looks like a little mini muffler really. And then the second one looks like this, and it's a behemoth. It's a huge thing. It looks like a missile or like a big cannon. But anyways, yeah guys, so this right here is the resonator that I deleted from my car recently. So here's a sound clip of how it used to sound like with both resonators and just the muffler delete. And this is how it sounds like without this one. So obviously you can't really tell a difference from a camera audio perspective or from honestly, whatever you hear on the computer will not do it justification. You really got to experience it for yourself in person, just because the whole cabin feels different. There's a lot more lower presence now that I deleted this big old resonator. And there's no droning. I was afraid of droning because with my 320i, for those of you that know, I deleted the muffler and the resonator completely straight pipe from the catalytic converter, and there was horrible droning. And that called for me to do a J-pipe add-on to my straight pipe, and that deleted the drone. But again, it's like a case-by-case scenario on how to delete droning and all that stuff. But you know, I was afraid of droning, so I kept one resonator there. I deleted this big one, and now I am truly happy with how my car sounds with a complete straight pipe from the Cat. Not complete, but I kept one resonator. And that's it, that's all I'm running. And the B58 sounds phenomenal. There's no droning, there's no rattle. It does not sound like a ricer, but I am content for now. And that's not to say that I am not looking into a full catback system. There's a few companies that I'm looking into partnering with. Stay tuned for that video because there is a full exhaust video upgrade happening soon. So make sure you follow my channel, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe because that will happen. But without further ado, let's go on a drive, and I'm going to show you some sound clips outside and some drive-bys on how this thing sounds without a resonator and a muffler. So let's get to that. All right, well, hopefully you guys see me okay. I'm shooting blind, so forgive me if this is like just improperly exposed. So I'm heading out right now to go and find a good spot to record. But I'm gonna shut up and let you guys hear what it sounds like in comfort mode. So let's get to it. that's comfort mode. Doesn't make much of a difference because the exhaust flap is deleted. So I believe that when you switch modes like sport mode and comfort mode, all it does is just change the mapping of the tune, if you will, to make it more sportier. So let's do our drive-by in comfort mode. Alright, let's go in sport. And I'm going to switch it to manual sporting. Let the revs go higher. So hopefully that was good for you to hear inside the cabin. So what I'm gonna do now is do some drive-bys on sport mode and comfort.